Hey everyone, and welcome to another video. Today we are diving into a powerful optimization tool for Android called VenForce. If you have been looking for a way to push your device beyond its stock limits, boost daily responsiveness, and ensure rock-solid stability during heavy multitasking or gaming sessions, this module is built exactly for that. It fine-tunes your entire system architecture to deliver fast, stable, and incredibly efficient performance across all your daily activities. Before we jump into the setup, let us take a quick look at the files you will need. Opening up the File Manager, you can see the VenForce zip file right here. Alongside it, I have already installed the KSU Web App APK. Here's an important detail to keep in mind. If you're using Magisk as your root solution, you will need this KSU Web App installed on your phone to access and manage the graphical user interface of the module. However, if your device is rooted using KSU, you do not need to install this separate application at all, as KSU supports the web interface natively right out of the box. Now let's get it installed. We open up Magisk Manager, head over to the Modules tab at the bottom right, and tap on Install from Storage. Locate the VenForce zip file in your Downloads folder, select it, and let the installer do its work. The flashing process only takes a few seconds as it configures the initial core scripts and performance parameters for your specific hardware. Once the flashing is complete, tap the Reboot button at the bottom of the screen to apply all the system-level changes. Now that the device is booted back up, let's open up Magisk Manager again and check the Modules tab. As you can see, the VenForce module is active, enabled, and running properly in the background. To explore all the custom settings and tweaks, let's open up the KSU Web App. Inside the dashboard, you're greeted with a clean, intuitive user interface that gives you full control over how your device behaves. You can easily switch between dedicated performance profiles, whether you want an aggressive gaming mode for maximum frame rates, an efficient battery-saving profile for travel, or a perfectly balanced setup for everyday use. The interface also gives you access to advanced CPU governor tweaks, optimized RAM and zRAM management, thermal throttling adjustments, and I/O scheduler enhancements. Everything is laid out clearly, allowing you to toggle specific optimizations on or off with just a single tap, without needing to run any manual terminal commands. That wraps up today's walkthrough on installing and configuring VenForce on your Android device. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more Android customization guides, and drop your questions or performance results down in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.